What's up, everybody? Grand Rising. Had to come back to a client's house. Had some discrepancies about the curb being done and where the property line started and stopped. At any rate, I told him it wasn't. We ain't gonna cry over spilled milk. You know what I'm saying? We gonna come back and take care of it for him. So we had to come back and take care of this right here. Just got that curb knocked out. Looks pretty darn good if you ask me. We did that driveway a couple weeks ago. So we told the client that once we got back this way, I'll stop by and do it for him at no additional cost. We're in the business, of building long-lasting relationships with our brand. You build relationships, you ain't got to worry about no money. That's for sure. Y'all watch on. Peace.